Chapter 10 OneNote 2016 Magic Carpet Importance of OneNote Parts of OneNote Creating a new notebook Opening and closing notebook Adding sections and pages Making notes Inserting images Microsoft OneNote is one of the Microsoft Office applications. It allows you to create notebooks where you can store and organize resources and notes and also search them. You can say it is a digital notebook with amazing features. Features of OneNote: Easy access. You can use OneNote anytime and anywhere. You can also record notes instead of writing them down and access them as and when required. Transparency. You can share OneNote notebooks and its contents with anyone and view it on any device even if OneNote is not installed. Automatic save. OneNote saves all your data automatically. You just have to select a location where you want to save the notebook while creating it. After this, the moment you input content in it, it gets saved automatically. Audio and video content. You can input all kinds of content in OneNote. It's not only text that can be entered in a OneNote book, you can add audio and video files too. Parts of a OneNote window. Notebooks. Notebooks are the major organization category. It is just like the notebooks you use in school or at home to take notes. Sections. Sections let you organize notes by different topics. Pages. Pages works as a page in a normal notebook. You can have any number of pages in a single notebook. Creating a new notebook. Follow the steps given below to do the same. Step 1. Click File, New to display the new notebook options. Step 2. Choose the location where you want the new notebook to be created. Step 3. Follow the prompts for the location you choose. Step 4. When the new notebook has been created, it will show up in your list of notebooks. Open an existing notebook. Follow the steps given below to do the same. Step 1. On any page, click the Show Notebooks button. Step 2. In the notebook list, click or tap the name of any currently open notebook that you want to switch to. If the notebook you want isn't already shown in this list, click or tap More Notebooks. Close a notebook. Follow the steps given below to do the same. Step 1. Click on the notebooks list. Step 2. You can right-click over the notebook which you want to close. Step 3. Click on Close this notebook option. Create a new subpage. Subpages help you organize data efficiently. For example, if you have a master notebook for your school where individual sections are created for subjects, you can create subpages for different chapters in each subject. Follow the steps given below. Step 1. On the right side of the OneNote program window, click the tab of the page under which you want to create a new subpage. Step 2. Over the column of page tabs, click the small arrow next to the New Page button. Step 3. On the shortcut menu that appears, click New Subpage. Step 4. Type a page title into the dotted heading area at the top of the new subpage and then press Enter. Create a section group. Step 1. Open or create a notebook in which you want to create one or more section groups. Step 2. Right-click any section tab and then click New Section Group. Step 3. Type a name for the section group and then press Enter. The new section group will be created to the right of the section tabs. Create a quick note. Follow the steps given below to do the same. Step 1. Choose View, New Quick Note. Step 2. Type your note in the small note window. Taking notes in OneNote notebook. You can take notes in various ways in OneNote notebook like typing, writing, drawing, and even recording audio. To type notes using keyboard, follow the given steps. Step 1. To type notes on a page in OneNote, click wherever you want them to appear and then start typing. If you want to begin a note elsewhere on the page, just click and start typing there. Handwritten notes. You can also write notes yourself on OneNote instead of typing during meetings or classes. Follow the steps given below. Step 1. On the ribbon, choose the Draw tab. Step 2. In the Tools group, choose a pen or highlighter and then write notes on the screen. Step 3. To stop drawing, click the Type button on the Draw tab. Convert handwritten notes to text. With OneNote, you can convert handwritten text into typed text. To convert handwriting to text, do the following. Step 1. On the Draw tab, choose the Lasso Select button. Step 2. On the page, drag a selection over the handwriting you want to convert. Step 3. On the Draw tab, choose Ink to Text. Add a page title. Follow the given steps to do the same. Step 1. Click the page header area at the top of the page and type the title. Step 2. Titles also show up in the page tabs near the right side of the page. Step 3. In the Choose a file or a set of files to insert dialog box, select one or more files and then choose Insert. Inserted files will show up as icons on Notes page. To open files, simply double-click on it. Format text. Follow the given steps to do the same. Step 1. In your notebook, in the Page tabs, click the page you wish to format. Step 2. In the note frame at the blinking cursor, key select the text by clicking and dragging over it. Step 3. On the ribbon on the Home tab, click on the desired option like font size, bold, italic or underline. The formatting options remain the same like in any other Microsoft Office application. Inserting images. Along with text, you can also add images to your OneNote notebook. Follow the steps given below to add the same. Step 1. Choose the Insert tab and click on the Pictures command in the Images group. Step 2. For inserting, Picture dialog box appears. In the address box, navigate the file. Step 3. In the Contents pane, choose the desired file and click on the Insert button. Step 4. In the current page, the image is inserted in your OneNote notebook. Magic Scroll. OneNote is a digital notebook for you to take notes. You can add any number of pages and sections to a notebook. You can also apply templates to your notebook. There are different ways of taking notes on OneNote: typing, writing, and recording. You can insert images in OneNote. A. Put a tick on